Hi everyone! Today I propose you to cook hedgehog cookies for kids. These cookies are especially great to make together with kids. In a deep bowl, knead butter, powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt to a paste. Pour in the vegetable oil, add the egg, vanilla extract and mix again. Pour in the flour, starch, and baking powder. Mix with a mixer. Then knead the pastry. Wrap in a packet and put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Roll out and cut into small pieces. Form each piece into a drop, transfer to a baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, melt the chocolate on a water bath. Add a little milk to make the glaze more liquid. Dip the finished cookies into the chocolate with the white side. Decorate with confectionery decorations, nuts, or chocolate chunks to your taste. Dip a toothpick into the melted chocolate and draw the ice. Done! Enjoy your meal!